Running a kitchen means there's no time for dirty dishes, broken machines, or surprise repair bills. One slip with your plates or glassware, and you're looking at health code problems and unhappy customers. You need a dishwashing setup that keeps you compliant, efficient, and worry-free, shift after shift. Here's how it works. With State, you get more than just a commercial dishwasher. You get a full program. We handle dishwasher leasing, so you skip the huge upfront cost. You get the right dishwasher detergents, rinses, and sanitizers, so every plate and glass comes out spotless the first time, cutting rewash, waste, and downtime. And for areas where a machine can't do it all, our 3-compartment sink solutions keep you compliant with the right chemicals and dispensers. We'll also make sure your equipment is running efficiently and dosing accurately, so you're not wasting chemicals or money. And if something goes wrong, we're just a phone call away, with support whenever you need it. It's equipment, chemicals, and proven service, all in one. And this is why it matters. Dirty dishes, equipment breakdowns, and extra labor drain your bottom line fast. With State, you get consistent cleanliness, fewer service calls, and lower total costs, so your crew can stay focused on running the kitchen, not fixing it. Plus, you'll have a dedicated team behind you, ready to keep your equipment working and your operation up to code. It's about peace of mind, reliable results, and more time to do what you do best. Ready for clean dishes and smooth operations? Let's keep your kitchen compliant and your costs under control. With State, you can expect clean dishes and a clean operation.